In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a credit card from Amazon. Whether you've decided to switch to a different card or you simply want to declutter your payment methods, removing a credit card from your Amazon account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to remove the credit card. This step is crucial because you need to be in the correct account to manage your payment options. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Account and List option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find various options related to your account management. Next, click on the Account option. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your Amazon account. You'll see a variety of settings here, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on the payment settings. Within the account settings, look for the Your Payments section and give it a click. This is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit and debit cards, as well as any other payment accounts you've linked. Now, you'll be in the Wallet section, which displays all your cards and accounts linked to your Amazon account. This area is designed to give you a clear overview of the payment methods you have on file. If your credit card is listed here, you can proceed to remove it. To do this, find the specific card you want to delete. There will typically be a button or an option to remove or delete the card. Click on this option and Amazon will prompt you to confirm the removal. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your credit card from Amazon. Keep in mind, if this was your default payment method for any subscriptions or pending orders, you might want to update your payment information to avoid any interruptions. This simple guide has walked you through the process of removing a credit card from your Amazon account. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.